Okay, here's the finished product. There you go. A window. Inside, you have a screen and a vent, which you can shut off. To remove it, just roll down the window. Pop it out. There you go. All right. I taped together a bunch of paper so I can make a stencil. And that's our window. Okay, this is a PVC sheet from Home Depot. It's exactly 2 feet by 3 feet long. We're going to be using this PVC sheet to make a template for the car. We take the template we had earlier, we're going to cut it out. Okay, now I'm cutting another strip for the lower section to hold the bottom against the window. Alright, that's done. Using 2 pieces of paper to measure out. Then I use the Sharpie and mark out where I'm gonna cut again, leaving the top so that it holds it in place. Okay, time to make the ankle pieces. Alright, now for the other fun part. Alright. This is a computer fan. And we are just going to use this part. 9-volt battery case, a 9-volt battery, and a toggle switch. Okay, what I did is I took this and I spliced a toggle switch. Let's see if I can get the... So I took this casing and I spliced a toggle switch in to this. So now, when you turn the switch on, fan blows. And I use this to cut out a circle this same size over here. I'm going to put mesh netting over here, screen so that no bugs can get in. Same with these as well, these holes. Mount this up here so it has a toggle switch, and then we have a exhaust vent. Now I put it here even though it's really close to these vent holes, because warm air will rise up and cool air will come in from the bottom, so it's not going to interfere with each other. Okay, this is the first test run of this thing. While you work. There we go. Sucking air out of the thing. Bringing in fresh air. Excellent. Right. This is what it looks like from the outside. This is what it looks like. Little vents. Has the little screens so no bugs get in. And the angle is that no rain will get in, so you can keep it open during a storm. The only thing I need to fix is this little panel here, and we're ready to go. Okay, here's the finished product. There you go. A window. Inside, you have a screen and a vent, which you can shut off.